this is Ankur and you are watching Ankur's Tech, and you are in the right place if you want to gain something. Also, don't forget to hit the red shiny subscribe button along with the bell icon. Then you will be the first to know whenever I upload anything new. Okay, by now you have probably heard of COVID-19 or coronavirus disease, which was discovered in 2019 and is responsible for global pandemic. COVID-19 is caused by SARS-CoV-2 or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 because it is genetically similar to SARS coronavirus, which was responsible for the SARS outbreak in 2002, where 8,000 cases were confirmed and 774 were dead. Okay, let us know more about this pandemic. Last few months ago, when the world was ready to welcome 2020, number of local hospitals in China reported a number of cases having severe pneumonia and breathing difficulties without comprehensible cause, and they were unable to respond to any form of existing medicines or vaccines. Within a very short span of time, the seafood market in the Wuhan region started experiencing those cases. The market had about 1,000 selling fishes, chickens, snakes, bats, and many other animals. This showed a rapid transmission which was increasing as the days passed by, according to a formulated theory that this was a new type of coronavirus that raised in the animals being sold in the sea market of Wuhan. By the beginning of January 2020, about 59 suspected cases were taken from all local hospitals in Wuhan and were isolated in the hospital named Jinyintang Hospital in Wuhan. Out of these 59 suspected cases, 41 were confirmed with the 2019 novel coronavirus infection. However, the isolation was too late, and before the isolation, these cases had infected hundreds of others, and in due course infected thousands, and thus begins the 2019 novel coronavirus epidemic. These cases were augmented by the Chinese New Year and thousands of tourists out of their place, and in a very short period of time, cases in other countries were also reported. After this, the first case was confirmed in Vietnam, and several cases were confirmed in Japan, Australia, United States, and number of countries. However, in January 9, 2020, the first death by this epidemic was recorded. As of making this video, there are a total of 3,846,924 cases and has reached to a death roll of 265,885, while Central China, Italy, Iran, South Korea and more 61 countries have been affected with major outbreaks. However, 1,315,718 cases were recovered. The World Health Organization (WHO) declared this epidemic as a global health emergency in 30 January 2020. Hope you felt the downfall of the world by this fact. Number of countries have completely reduced the number of daily flights too. Moreover, the lockdown initiated in reaction to the COVID-19 pandemic has terrible consequences on the informal economy of the nation. The risk of people dying from hunger is extremely high. Over a billion of students worldwide are unable to go to schools or universities due to the measures to stop the spread of COVID-19. The pandemic is expected to have a huge impact on the global education, and thousands of students are stuck in various countries and places. See, the word coronavirus was derived from the Latin word crown or halo, which refers to the characteristic of appearance of this virus. The outer surface in the structure of the virus has number of protein spikes. This gives an appearance of crown, which in Latin means coronavirus. Number of coronaviruses have been detected in almost every year in mammals and birds. The first one was discovered in 1960s, causing mild respiratory infection in chicken. After this, a number of coronavirus have been discovered in bats and other small animals. Due to the close contact of these animals with humans, the virus got transmitted to the humans too, starting a new disease. The transmission of this virus from one person to another have not been classified yet. However, the most common way of spreading is through droplet infection. It is also transmitted by the stuffs that the infected person has been in contact with, like clothes, books, switches, and etc. Currently, no antiviral medication is recommended to treat COVID-19 and no cure is available for it. Antibiotics are not effective against viral infections such as coronavirus. However, ongoing research is studying various drugs that may be effective for treating severe COVID-19. Still, you can improve some self habits to prevent this virus. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water or an alcohol based solution. Cover your nose and mouth by bending your elbow or tissue when we sneeze or cough. Avoid touching your face, particularly eyes, nose, or mouth, to prevent the virus from entering the body. Stay at least 1 meter distance from others. If you are feeling unwell, stay home at least 14 days, as it is your responsibility to take care of yourself. Well, there has been some positive effects in our environment due to this pandemic. We are absorbing clearer water and cleaner air everywhere. Crystal clear water can be seen in lakes and other water bodies. The crowd of tourists are also gone, which normally swarms the canal, and the pollution from motorboats and traffic vastly reduced, which in turn make a pollution-free environment. In cities across the world, the streets have emptied of people and vehicles. Factories have been shut down and flights have been prevented from flying. In other words, the Mother Earth is healing itself. And lastly, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thanks to all the amazing people working hard taking care of us and saving us. Stay safe, take care.